Technics announced the arrival of a new member to its family of compact hi-fi equipment with retro appearance under the name of OTTAVA S SC-C50 and with a curved design made of aluminum. This spectacular sound system that will reach distributors from September. The OTTAVA S SC-C50 is a device with external dimensions of 375 x 220 x 197 mm and a 3.1 set inside with a total of 7 speakers, 3 6.5 cm woofers for medium frequencies, 3 16 mm tweeters for the treble and a 12 cm subwoofer powered by 2 amplifiers with 20 x 3 watts 1 kHz, THD 1.0%, 80. 20 kHz LPF for the front trio and another 40 extra watts for the 100 Hz subwoofer, THD 1.0%, 40, 20 kHz LPF, which make a total of 100 watts. In its upper part we find an OLED screen that controls the basic functions and a large heatsink coated with aluminum. It has the Spacetune calibration software to adjust the equipment depending on the location of the room in which it is located, as well as LAPC technology that measures the phase, amplitude and frequency characteristics of the amplifier and perform the digital signal processing to achieve a better response to the impulse. Supports streaming playback from multiple online services such as Spotify, Deezer or Tidal. Has Chromecast integrated as standard so that we can send content from different mobile devices and is compatible with Google Assistant for voice command control. It has an Ethernet port, Wi-Fi A/B/G/N/SAC, Bluetooth AAC, SBC, a digital optical input, another USB-A for direct playback of files up to 24-bit/384 kHz and an auxiliary input 3.5 jack mm.